Hello children, I conducted quiz on first lesson but the answer of third question was missed. The answer for third question is D. Flowchart of human digestive system. హ్యూమన్ డైజెస్టివ్ సిస్టమ్ ఫ్లో చార్ట్ చూసినట్టయితే దీన్ని మీరు ఎలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవచ్చు అంటే ఫస్ట్ డైజెస్టివ్ సిస్టంలో ఉన్న పార్ట్స్ని వరుసగా మీరు గమనించినట్లయితే దాని ఆధారంగానే మీరు ఎగ్జామ్లో ఫ్లో చార్ట్ కూడా ఈజీగా రాయగలుగుతారు. రోజు మీరు ఫుడ్ తీసుకునేటప్పుడు మీరు గమనించినట్లయితే మనం ఎలా ఫుడ్ తీసుకుంటున్నామో అది ఏ పార్ట్లో నుంచి ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది అనేది ఒక 2-3 డేస్ మీరు అనుకుంటూ మీరు ఫుడ్ తీసుకుంటూ ఉంటే కనుక మీకు ఈ పార్ట్స్ అన్నీ కూడా చాలా సింపుల్గా గుర్తుండిపోతాయి. Children, observe the flow chart. First, we take the food with the help of our hands into the mouth. After that, it enters into the buccal cavity and pharynx, esophagus. After that, it enters into the stomach, duodenum, small intestine, large intestine and rectum. And undigested food exit with the help of anus. Here, you have to remember to draw the arrow marks. The flowchart of human digestive system is very important for examination point of view. So, children, learn carefully. Next, let us study the chart showing different enzymes and digestive juices and their functions. Look at the digestive enzymes table. Some students feel that it is very hard to remember, but it is very easy. I will explain it through a diagram. Look at the diagram. Salivary glands produce saliva. In saliva, amylase is present. Next, liver secretes bile juice. Bile is stored in gallbladder. And the enzyme pepsin secreted into stomach. And pepsin secreted by gastric glands. The enzymes amylase, trypsin, lipase secreted by pancreas and secreted into duodenum. The intestinal glands secrete peptidase, sucrase, maltase and lactase and secreted into small intestine. Role of enzymes in digestion. Bile. It neutralizing acids and emulsifying fats. The complex food items like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, whatever it may be, it breaks down into simple substances and absorbed through our intestinal lining. Mainly, food items are divided into 3 types: carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Which enzymes act on carbohydrates, proteins and fats? And what are the products? Main source of carbohydrates are pasta, potato, rice, wheat, etc. These are the main energy sources. Next, starch is present here. So, starch is broken down by amylase. This is the enzyme. Starch is converted into maltose with the help of amylase. Amylase made in 3 places. Salivary glands, pancreas and small intestine. Which amount of amylase is secreted by salivary glands? Nuts, meat, beans are the examples for protein food and it broken down by protease and converted into amino acids. Proteases are made in 3 places: stomach, pancreas and small intestine. Next, fats. These are also called lipids. Cheese, oils and chocolates. These are the examples for fats. Fats are broken down by lipases and it converted into glycerol fatty acids. Lipases are made in pancreas and small intestine. Okay children, I hope you understood very well. In next class we will discuss about the diseases due to malnutrition. Thank you.